Welcome to the very first Thursday edit, your 10-minute weekly roundup of the biggest retail and lifestyle news. This week we're starting with the best IKEA sale finds, the best designer dupes that just returned, and the long-awaited Stockholm chairs are finally here. Plus, I'll show you the viral giant matchstick lights taking over TikTok. I've got a massive update on the Pottery Barn Launch here in the UK, Sainsbury's Christmas pyjamas have landed, and the La Cruzo dupe I shared a month ago is now going viral. You're going to want to see this. Let's get into this week's edit. Let's check out the IKEA sale. I'm going to show you the top 5 massively reduced items, and I'm really pleased to say that a lot of these are available to order online. So even if you don't have an IKEA near you, you can still place an order online and get these delivered. Next up we have the back salon sofa. This one is heavily reduced, which I'm assuming means it's discontinued. It starts with a 2-seater only $179, and there's also a 3-seater for $279. They come with fully removable changeable covers, and there's a lovely selection of colours available to order. So if you're in the market for a cheap sofa with a designer look, this is definitely one to go for. I really like the white colour, it's classic, timeless, and will go with everything. So definitely check this collection out. The Parrot range is also in the sale. This is a flat pack sofa, so it's perfect if you want to pick it up in your car or you've got a tricky space to get it in your home. It comes in 2-seater, 3-seater and even a 4-seater corner sofa. The covers are changeable too, and these are massively reduced, so if you're buying a sofa, it's worth picking up a spare set. There's a great selection of colours, and the prices really are not to be missed if you're in the market for a sofa. One of my favourites is the Gunnar Beige. It's super nice and it's a really versatile shade. And don't forget, they've also got a corner sofa. It starts at just $4.99. It comes in a huge choice of washable covers. So if you're in the market for a sofa, I'd get yourself down to IKEA, because these deals won't hang around. I actually shared one of these in my best designer dupe finds the other day. They're down to £4. They are these hanging bags. They are really similar to ones they sell in Cox & Cox, but they're only £4. So if you want one, you're going to have to be quick. IKEA have reduced the Tonstad collection. Now, I actually shared this when it was first launched, and it still has the new label on it. The TV stand is now down to only £150, and I remember the quality of the doors is really good. They slide across really nicely. So at this price, if you are looking for a TV stand, this is a fantastic option. They've also reduced the sideboard, again, really nice quality with that designer look, and it's down to only £150. It's really nice, a thick build, and it has loads of lovely storage. The bookcase has also been reduced, now only £89, which is such a good price. They also reduced this massive cupboard down as well, so do check this out if you're looking for some big pieces of furniture. And then finally, this cupboard is also reduced. It's now down to £89. It's a really nice piece with a sliding front door, and I could see it working perfectly in office or anywhere you need some handy extra storage. So overall, the whole Tonstad collection seems to be reduced. It's clearly reduced to clear, so there are some real bargains, so do check it out. talk about the viral lamp. This is the Strala matchstick lamp. You've probably seen it all over TikTok, so I had to look at it in store. To be honest, it's not really about giving you loads of light. It gives off a very soft glow, so it's more for creating a bit of atmosphere rather than actually lighting up a room. I'd say it's more of a decorative piece than a practical one, almost like an ornament that happens to light up slightly. So if you need a lamp for reading or working, this won't be the one. But if you like that minimal, Scandi look and just want a subtle mood light, I can see the appeal. They have the brand new Stockholm chairs finally in stock, and I think they are really nice. They are definitely designer inspired. This one is £122. It's got the oak wood and it's got this nice rattan finish. And then they have the other one, which you must have seen these. Well, I've seen these everywhere in designer magazines. £150. It's leather with oak and it's really, really nice. The new Rosenthal chairs at IKEA are priced at £65 each, and honestly they feel really solid. They're quite heavy, chunky, and the quality is much better than you might expect at this price point. They've got a lovely curved back which makes them look a bit more stylish, but they're also very practical if you want something hard wearing. If you're in the market for dining chairs that are going to last and feel sturdy, I think these could be a brilliant option. It's been talked about for ages, but I'm so excited to say that Pottery Barn is now live in the UK. You can order the full collection online. There aren't any standalone stores open yet, but the website is up and running. Now, you may not have heard of Pottery Barn before, or you might already and be completely obsessed. They're a brand that brings out loads of viral products. You'll probably remember the gingerbread houses or the Christmas reindeer. They always do those really iconic seasonal pieces. And right now, it's the terracotta pumpkins all over Instagram. The stores in America are absolutely beautiful, really well styled. That traditional luxurious look definitely comes across online too. Looking at their prices, I'd say they're a bit higher than the usual high street. To give you an idea, they're probably sitting around Neptune level price points. So not the cheapest, but very much that premium end. There's loads on the UK site, everything from serviettes all the way up to dining tables and sofas. One of the standout categories for me is the dinnerware. They do beautiful stoneware and really classic designs. For example, there's a stoneware cake stand for £69. So yes, pricier, but definitely that timeless luxury look. They've also brought over their design crew service. You can book a free appointment online and they'll help you design your space using their pieces. They can do it virtually or in person at their West Elm store in London. So if you've been waiting for a Pottery Barn to arrive, now's the time to look online. I'd love to know what you think of the prices, so do let me know and others in the comments what you think and if you're tempted to order anything. Bit of a Sainsbury's update for you. Last year I spotted the Sainsbury's Christmas pyjamas. I filmed them, I loved them and told myself I'd go back nearer Christmas. But of course, they completely sold out and ended up on eBay for twice the price. So this year I'm not missing out. I went straight in, had a good look through, and they've already got a brilliant selection out. They always do two types. They seem to do a lightweight cotton set and then a fleecy set. I picked up the bow and candy set for myself and Lily chose the fleece snow globe ones. So we're all sorted nice and early this year. So if you are after any of them, my advice is buy them sooner rather than later. While I was in that, I also picked up this jumper that I've been looking at for a little while. I've done a couple of videos on my channel about Sainsbury's clothes and I'd wished I'd got it and there it was, so I bought it. It's really lovely quality and I thought was really good for £18. Also on Ideal Home, they did an article the other day saying about how this is a perfect dupe for Le Crusoe. Well, I shared it on my dupes video about a month ago and I was pleased to see that they are still in the shop. These are going viral, so if you haven't grabbed one yet, I would definitely recommend buying one. I love mine, it's beautiful and it really does look very designer. The other thing they had as well, I love these chopping boards, I've shared them many times. They are reduced to £15, so if you're after a great big chopping board for Christmas, grab one. I hope this means they're not discontinued. I've been sharing lots of dupes recently, but I think I found the best ever. This is the Urchin ceramic lamp by Dunelm for £59, and it is so similar to the dotty lamp from Cox & Cox that is £115. The Dunelm one has been out of stock for ages, but I'm delighted to say it's finally back in stock. I also love the new Catherine Lansford bedding set from Dunelm. Dunelm always does great seasonal designs, and the striped bow duvet set really stood out, and as always, it's super affordable. And lighting, Dunelm is one of my go-to places. They've recently launched loads of new lighting, including this bamboo light in the edited collection. I'm even using some in my office. I bought these a little while ago. Their wall light collection is so good. I snapped them up and they're going to look stunning. So if you're looking for wall lights, definitely check them out. And finally, I caught a sneak peek of the Christmas range coming in. I'm glad to see these gorgeous rattan bells I bought last year are back in stock, but don't worry, I'll be doing a full Dunelm Christmas review next week. So that's it for today's Thursday 10-minute update. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. And if you've seen any gems I've missed, let me know. Also, as we're heading into Christmas, make sure you check out my B&M Christmas review and my brand new IKEA Christmas video. They've just gone live. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.